Hello, I'm in a 2009 Lexus RX 350 and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we're going to look right here and you should see a lever with a little resistance that we're going to pull. That click pop sound was the safety releasing. If there's no tension at all on this, it may already be unlocked, but otherwise you want to check underneath, make sure these cables here are tight and connected. So we'll go up now to the front, and it should be loose now. And most models towards the middle, you're going to find like a lever that releases it. Here it is on this one. So you're kind of like pinching it and lifting. So pinch, lift. So there's that, which you can see pushing it up. And there's what it was hooked onto for there and on here. If you're having issues, maybe make sure there's no debris up here, maybe spray a little WD-40 if needed. Sometimes if the hood or components are not in alignment, you might need to straighten things out so it'll work better. And worst case, if you're having issues still, these components are pretty affordable to replace if needed. I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.